Hello everyone. In this video of chapter acid, bases and salts, I am going to talk about baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris. Baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in the kitchen for making crispy, tasty pakoras, idli, etc. Sometimes it is also added in the veg curry like chole for faster cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate with chemical formula NaHCO3. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. So we can say that is this compound is extracted from, or you can say is formed with the help of sodium chloride as one of the ingredient. The preparation of baking soda is, we will take brine solution, and in brine solution we used to pass carbon dioxide and ammonia gas. On reaction we will get two products, and the one of the product is your baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, and another product is sal ammoniac or ammonium chloride. Both the compounds are very much useful and valuable to us. Now, baking soda is a mild non-corrosive base, and when baking soda is heated, when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, it decomposes to give you sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Now, what are the uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate or NaHCO3 or baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda is used in making baking powder, and baking powder is used in making cakes, bread, etc. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible solid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder mix with water, then sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with tartaric acid to evolve carbon dioxide gas. And this produced carbon dioxide gas causes bread or cake to rise and make them soft and spongy. And also, tartaric acid, which is one of the ingredient present in baking powder, it used to react with formed sodium carbonate and remove the bitterness of a compound which is caused because of the formation of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, which is formed after the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate, reacts with tartaric acid to form sodium tartarate, and the bitterness of sodium carbonate is removed. Now the another use, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacid, and being alkaline, it neutralizes excess of acid in stomach and provide relief. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Washing soda. Another chemical which is obtained from sodium chloride is washing soda or sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda, and after that recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives us washing soda. It is a basic salt. You are seeing on the screen, and you know in the previous slide we have learned the heating effect of sodium bicarbonate, and on heating it used to give us sodium carbonate, and On recrystallization, we obtain crystals of sodium carbonate decahydrate or washing soda. Uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in manufacture of sodium compounds like borax. It is also used as a cleansing agent for the domestic purposes, and the most important use is it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Now the another compound is plaster of Paris or POP. Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 dot half H2O or CaSO4 whole twice dot 1 H2O. This is called plaster of Paris, and plaster of Paris is prepared from gypsum. Gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. With one molecule of CaSO4, there are two water of crystallization molecule attached. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum to the temperature around 100 degrees Celsius, and when gypsum is heated, it loses 3/4 water of crystallization molecule and form plaster of Paris. And during the preparation, heating of gypsum should be controlled carefully. Plaster of Paris is white colored powder. It has a remarkable property of setting into hard mass on wetting with water. When water is added to plaster of Paris, it's set into hard mass approximately in half an hour. And this is why the doctors used to use it for supporting fractured bones. What happened when plaster of Paris is added water? It turn up into hard solid mass, which is called gypsum. Uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is the substance which doctor use for plastering for supporting fracture bone in the right position. Plaster of Paris is also used for making toys, for decoration and for making surface smooth. It is also used in chemistry laboratories for sealing air gaps in apparatuses where airtight arrangement is required. And it is also used in cheap ornaments, cosmetics, blackboard chalk and cast for statues. Thank you.